Through what we do, through what we say, how we enjoy ourselves. It is an illusion.
Mom, what?
Hi, Mommy! Mom, I'm here. I'm only 2 age long. I'm so little. You don't know me yet, but you soon will.
You've got us so proud, dear mommy.
I have all my organs. Guess what, Mom? My heart started beating today. I'm alive! I love the feeling your heartbeat. Every beat makes me feel love.
Makes me feel important.
Makes me wanna dance. I like it here inside you.
Mom, too.
Guess what, Mommy? You won't believe this. Today, I learned something new. Something super important.
I learned to
Suck my thumb! It tastes so good. I wish you could see me.
I look like a baby.
I'm so cute. I'm sorry if I made you sick today. I don't like Mexican food.
I do like pickles and ice cream.
I know you love me, Mom.
But I'm still not big enough to survive outside my home. That's okay. I feel safe.
Mom, 3.
Guess what, Mommy? I'm a girl.
I'm a boy.
I'm a girl. I hope that makes you happy. I just want to make you happy. Are you happy? I started hearing today. Do you have a dog? I love to hear you laugh. Seriously, that dog is getting into my nerves. Are you okay? You sound sad. I don't like it when you're sad. It makes me sad too. I cry with you, Mom. Even though you can't hear me, I'll cheer you up. I have a secret for you. My favorite lullaby is your heart beating. I can wait to hold your hand, Mommy. I love you.
Mom, 4.
Mommy, look, my hair is starting to grow.
I got hair. It's soaring fine, but it better will have a lot of it.
Just like you, Mom.
I spend a lot of time exercising too. Look at this part.
I mold my arms and legs.
I wiggle my hands and toes. My favorite is the cake and slides to the bottom.
I can't wait to
Kiss your cheek.
Mom, 5.
You went to the doctor today? That doctors are mean. He lied to me. Liar! He called me a blob. Do I look like a blob? I'm not just a blob.
I'm a baby.
I'm alive. I'm your baby. I think and feel. Don't you know this? Wait, Mommy. What is that word I heard?
What is?
Abortion.
Hey, it doesn't matter. Never do anything bad to me.
Good night.
Mom, 6.
I could hear the doctor again.
Oh no, not him! Wait, what is he doing? What is that? What is that poking into my home? Mommy, what's going on? What is that? It burns, Mommy, it burns!
It's hurting me.
Make it stop!
Get away from it.
Mommy! Don't you want me? Mommy, no! Mommy, stop! Ah! I still love you because of abortion. My eyes will never see your face. My arms will never give you a hug.
My feet will never take the first step. My legs will never dance at my prom because of
Abortion. My lips will never kiss you on your cheek.
my mouth will never whisper I love you.
My finger will never run around.
My heart will never pound because of
Abortion.
Never get to share with me about Jesus.
Never got to see my heart give to him.
You never get to see me grow in God's purpose.
I forgive you. Before I formed you in your mother's womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I know you. I set you apart.
Awesome. That was very cute presentation. It gives us indeed an illusion that it was a reaction of a child being aborted. No, murag nabuhi gyud tinuod ang nasa sulod. That's a great illusion that you created.